I've got a little competition amongst my subscribers that I want to start. Would you like to earn an additional 250 tube coins? Well, keep watching because I'm going to show you how to right now. So I want to have a little contest, friendly competition if you will. As you can see on the screen here, I almost got 250 subscribers now. Channel hasn't been around long and it's grown exponentially over the last 2 weeks. So as a thank you, I'd like to have this little friendly competition. It's going to benefit me and it's going to benefit you. Let me show you how to enter and how to win. So really simple. You have to be a subscriber to my channel, first of all, and then I'm running a live stream of inside my mining shed. Let me show you. If you go to live streams on my channel, you can see the live stream going on right now. So if you click on it, it's going to load the page up. Might take just a little bit of time to load, so if it takes a moment, don't fret. It'll load eventually. If it doesn't, simply go up to the top of the screen and hit the refresh, or you can hit F5 on your keyboard. Now, as you can see, this is a live camera feed to 2 of my AMD Vega 56 and 64 mining rigs. Now, there's not a whole lot to watch, but there is music in the background, and you can see the clock in the background on the screen with the BitTube logo. May not be your kind of music, but you can simply turn down the volume. The winner of this contest will be the person that watches the most of the stream in logged hours of time for the next couple of days. On Sunday, the 2nd of September, I'm going to end the contest at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Currently, in my time zone here in the central portion of the United States, the time is 5:23 p.m. on Wednesday, the 29th of August. So really simple. Whoever is the top person that watches the most minutes and the most hours of this stream at the top of the list is going to be the winner of the 250 tube coins. So let me show you how to enter. Go over to your wallet, and it may take a second to sync. That's okay. Eventually it will load. Does take just a moment, so be patient. Alright, so as you can see, under your wallet, you simply click Copy Wallet to Clipboard, and then we can go back to my channel here, go to Live Streams, and click on through here, or you can simply go to the Live tab here and click on the video right here. And in the chat, what I want you to do is place your public wallet address. Don't worry, no one can do anything with that other than send you coins. So no one can hack you, no one can get into your account. It's simply a public wallet address, okay? So click here, paste it, and hit enter. That's all you have to do. You have to be subscribed, and you have to have the most watched time. So it's going to benefit both of us. Me for the watched hours, the views, and you are going to benefit 2 times. I'm going to give you 250 additional tube coins if you win, and throughout the competition, you're going to earn tube coins by watching the stream. Okay, so remember, on Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time here in the United States, I'm going to click on the Explorer and look at whoever has the most watch time. As you can see right now, and it's only 5 hours, you've got plenty of time to stack up your watched hours, but TSH underscore TK has 5 hours. I don't know who this is. I appreciate the watch time, but unfortunately, if you're a guest and you do not have an account, that doesn't matter. You can't get paid. I can't send you anything, so you have to be a registered user that's subscribed to my channel. The 2nd of September at 6 p.m., after I see who has won, I'll announce that in the chat here, and then I will send the coins to that address. All right, so that's it. Enjoy the stream. Best of luck to you. It's going to benefit you. It's going to benefit me. Have fun, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks again, everybody.